welcome to a new video. It's today I just make video. I don't have time. Thus I just decided to make video. It's very urgent. Hope you understand it. I manage my time in work. Let's make video for you. Hope you enjoyed and you are good in your life. Now it's time you see my feet are moving and just all are very relaxing. Okay, like, share, subscribe it. Got a 940 subscriber and complete 1000 as soon as possible, and watch time. So watch for videos, like, share. If you support me, then I will make daily videos for you. Like this new look here, I just cut my hair today, and so tell me it's how's looking, look, it's new look, getting okay, haircut okay or not. Rate 10 out of 10. Rate this and comment. I'm waiting your response.